Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this tutorial, you will learn how you can connect Jira software with Microsoft Teams in such a way that as and when you are going to create a new issue in Jira, the details of the same issue will be sent as a new message in a channel in Microsoft Teams automatically. So guys, we are using Pabbly Connect to make this happen. And if you're handling many issues on daily basis in Jira, and if you want to keep your management or your team updated about those issues, let this automation do this work for you and you can focus on working on those issues. So guys, let's begin setting up this automation. So to start guys, you can use this link pabbly.com/connect, and from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on the sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks every month. After that you can sign in and you will have the access of Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Here you have to create a workflow by clicking on this create workflow button. Here you can give a name to this workflow, so I am giving the name here. Alright, so after giving the name, just click on create and your workflow page will load up here like this. So guys, here in this trigger section, you have to connect Jira application from this choose app field, and here in this actions tab you have to choose Microsoft Teams application as the action application. Okay, so here search for Jira software. Here it is selected. Okay, and here you have to search Microsoft Teams. Here it is Microsoft Teams. Okay, right, and here it is asking for the trigger event, and here it is asking for the action event. So trigger event is that event which is going to start this workflow or trigger this workflow, and the action event would be the response towards the trigger event. So in our use case, the trigger event would be a new issue created in Jira, and the action event would be to send a message to Microsoft Teams. So here we have this trigger event, configure webhooks. So select configure webhooks and it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this URL, we are going to make a connection with Jira software, and this webhook URL connection is going to watch for updates in Jira software. So as and when you are going to create any new issue, the details of that issue will be fetched here and the workflow will trigger. Okay, so here you can see this trigger is instant. This means as and when a new issue is created, instantly the webhook connection is going to trigger this workflow. Okay, so you need to follow these instructions written here to make this connection. I can show you the whole process. You can just read the instructions and follow it. So this is my Jira applications dashboard. Here you will find this settings icon. Under settings you have to click on system settings. Alright, and under system settings on the left hand side panel, when you scroll down, you will find the advanced option. Under advanced you will find the webhooks option. Click on webhooks. Okay, and guys, under the webhooks section you have to create a new webhook. For that we have this create a webhook button. Click on it, and here you can give a name to this webhook. So I am giving the name as new webhook listener for MS Teams. Okay, you have to make the status as enable, and here in this URL field you have to paste this webhook URL. So first of all, click on copy from here and come back to Jira. Here erase this field and paste the webhook URL like this. Okay, here you can provide a small description if you want. It is not a compulsory thing, so I'm leaving this blank. And with the help of a JQL query or Jira query language syntax, you can specifically assign or select any specific project and the issue type to send the data from Jira to your workflow. Okay, so we have many projects here in Jira. So let's say I want that whenever I create an issue in this Pabbly Connect project, that is going to trigger my workflow, and also the issue type will be task. Okay, so as and when I'm going to create a task in Pabbly Connect project, that is going to trigger my workflow. For that to happen, I can write a JQL query here. Okay, so to get the syntax help, you can just click on the syntax help button and you can see the syntax used in JQL query. And here in the instructions, to select the project and the issue type, we have this example pasted here. So you can just copy this JQL query example like this Okay, and you can paste the query here, and you can change the project's name. Just I'm erasing this motorhead name. All right, and it will start showing the list of the projects. From here I'm going to select this Pabbly Connect project, and in the issue type I'm going to select task as a issue type. Here you can see these are the issue types we have. I'm selecting task. Okay, so this is the jQuery query, and here you have these events list. So in the issue section, check this created box. Okay, so this means whenever a issue is going to be created, that is going to trigger the workflow and the data will be sent. Now scroll down here and click on this create button, and you can see a new webhook is successfully being created here, right? So now I am going to open my project, which is this Pabbly Connect project. Okay, right. So this is the project, and here you can see in our workflow, as I have copied this webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means I am going to create a test issue in Jira, and we are going to capture the data of that test issue here in this workflow, and with the help of that test data we are going to move forward. Okay, so here let me create a issue in Pabbly Connect project, and the issue type would be task. Okay, select task from here, and here you can provide a summary. So I'm selecting any random summary here for any and I'm providing a testing description for this issue, right? You can select the reporter, you can assign a due date like this. Okay, and assign this task will be assigned automatically to any of the team member, right? And here I'm clicking on create to create this issue. Okay, right, so you can see the issue is created. Number is PCP96. I can show you this issue. Okay, this is the issue, right? And let's check in our workflow if we got the details of this issue or not. And here you can see the webhook connection got triggered and the issue is captured here. And in these labels you will find the data related to the issue. So here it is showing the issue ID, the issue key is PCP96. You can see PCP96. Okay, and here when you scroll down you will receive the data. The project's name is here, the issue creation date is here, the priority of the issue or task is here. Okay, and here we have all the related description. This is the summary of the issue. Okay, all right, so that's how you can capture the test data. Now guys, what I want to update my team present in Microsoft Teams about this issue that we have just created. For that to happen, in the action event, select this send message in a channel option. Okay, so this will be the action event. Now click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Microsoft Teams, and from here it will bring you to the login window. Okay, so if it is showing, okay, so I do not want to protect my account, so I'm skipping this step. All right, and here I have already logged in, so it is asking for granting the permission to Pabbly Connect to make this connection. So you have to grant all these permissions. Just click on accept. So this is completely safe. You don't have to worry about anything here, and you can see the authorization is successful and we are connected. So here it is asking for the team's name. So my team is here. My team's is this team, sales and marketing team. Okay, and under this team I have two channels, general and monthly reports. So here it is asking for the team's name and the channel's name. So from this list, select the team's name, then select the channel's name, and here you can type the message that you want to send to your team. So here let me type a message. So guys, I have wrote this message, hello team, and new Jira issue is created, and here you can see I have written these things: issue summary, project name, priority, and the description. So I want to send these details to my team, and we got the test details here in this first step. So I'm going to use these labels that I have received here to map the data here in this message. So you just have to click here like this, and it will show you the previous step in the drop down. Let me show you like this. Okay, Jira issue. Jira software, and when you are going to click on this, it will show you all the data that you have received in the first step here only. So you can map the things that you have received from Jira from here only. So I'm mapping the summary first. So you will find the summary label here. So this is the summary label, you can see field summary. Okay, so you can map it like this. Similarly, you can map the project's name. You will find the project's name here. Here it is, project name label, map it. Similarly, you can map the priority. Right, and you can check your connection with Microsoft Teams by clicking on Save and Send Test Request, and a new message will be delivered here in this team in this channel. Okay, so I am clicking on Save and Send Test Request. So this is the response we have received, and you can check now in the channel, and here you can see we have received a new message. It is showing hello team and new Jira issue is created. The details are these, and see these are the same details that I have mapped here in this message. And guys, when you map the fields here, when you map the labels here, what will happen after setting up this automation in real time? Whenever you got a new issue created in Jira, that is going to trigger the workflow, and these labels are going to change automatically, and a new message will be delivered here with the new data. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once, guys. After that, it is going to work automatically in the background, and you can use the same workflow, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.